Here's how to scrape any Instagram profile details with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Instagram scraper from Nifty.Codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press details of a profile. As you can see, we extracted this profile details. You can do this for multiple different profiles. Now, press on the settings. Then press on Store Data. In here you can find the data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now, to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Details of a profile. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also other criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.